Hi everyone, and welcome back to Utah SEO Ninja. My name is Tristan, and my goal for this video is to get you laid. Back in your favorite chair, relaxing, knowing that you have the coolest, highest tech Valentine's Day card your partner has ever seen. But before we get started, if this is your first time here and you think this stuff's pretty neat, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let me show you how this works. You simply tap the phone on the card, and it opens up a YouTube video that I made. The video is a simple slideshow of my favorite pictures of my wife, but you could record a message for your special someone, you can send them a song, or really any website or YouTube video, including the ones that you made yourself. Now, the technology behind this is something called an NFC tag. NFC stands for Near Field Communication, and it's basically the same technology that's used in like hotel key cards. The majority of Android devices have the ability to read this information built into them. Now, iPhone users need to have an iPhone 7 or newer and will require an app in order to read the tag. The one that I recommend is called Go2Tag, and it is free to download and to use. Now, the tags themselves are pretty inexpensive. You can get a pack of 10 of them on Amazon for just $6, and you'll find links to everything in the description below. So, first step is to get some of these tags. Step 2 is to make a video. Now, for my video, I used After Effects. It took forever, it was really complicated, and I would highly recommend that you guys instead look at a platform called Adobe Spark. It's a free online video creation tool. It's pretty handy, really easy to use, and I have a couple of tutorials here on the channel that will show you how to make a video using this tool. You should be seeing a card popping up on your screen. Make sure to watch those next. Now, what I do is I upload these videos to YouTube and I mark them as unlisted. That means that only people who have the video's URL are able to find the video and to see it. It won't be available to the public. So, upload the video and get the URL. The next step is to program that URL into our NFC tags. Now, I use an app called NFC Tools Pro. It does have a free version, or the Pro version is only $3. Totally worth it, and if you're going to be doing a lot of stuff with NFC, like playing with some of those extra tags that you bought, then you definitely want to splurge the extra $3 and get the Pro version. It's just really cool. Programming your tag is as simple as copying the URL, selecting the URL option from the app, pressing the right button, and placing the tag on the back of the phone so that way the information can be transferred. There is also a YouTube video option which is a little bit faster for the phones to process. In this case, you only need part of the URL and you just copy and paste that. Just look at the URL preview at the bottom, make sure everything looks like a normal URL, and then you should be good to go. And again, we press right to transfer the data to the tag. Now to test it. If we did everything correctly, then when we tap the tag on the back of our phones once again, it should open up and play the video automatically. Now, if this is a little bit too much work for you, I totally understand, and if you'd like to have somebody handle all of this for you, just shoot me an email. We can program the tags, create a video for you. The tag will come as a sticker, you just place that inside the card, and then it should be good to go. Now, if you want to do something a little bit more complicated but also significantly cooler, then you want to download an app called HP Reveal. Now, HP Reveal is an augmented reality app that allows users to create triggers, which are images scanned by the app through the phone's camera, and also overlays, which are other images or videos that are displayed over the trigger. Now, in this case, I turned the front of my card into a trigger, and I used the video as my overlay. And this combination is called an aura. After that, if the user is going to be looking at this on a separate phone, you'll need to share the aura with them. Just follow the in-app instructions for that, and you shouldn't have any problems. Then the user simply scans the card with the app, and it will display the video that you created over that image in 3D and like moving, and you can like spin it and stuff. It's crazy. And that's how you create these really cool cards. Now, if you're interested in learning more about NFC and augmented reality and how it can help you to market your business, then make sure to check out some of the other videos here on the channel. I especially like the video on NFC business cards, and don't forget to watch the Adobe Spark tutorial as well, and that will help you to create the videos. But that'll do it for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.